What's up, guys? This is me from the future showing you what we're working on today. And as you can see, I've made some changes. We got a no weapon customization, and you can equip your weapon. Previously, when the player pressed the button, the E key, we automatically go to the transition, the camera transition. But now when the player pressed the E key, the AI player animation, and then now you go to the transition. Okay, but we work on this later. But if you take a look at the timer, after it reaches 0, shop is closed. Timer goes away and shop is closed. But in the next video, we're gonna make it after a certain amount of time, it's gonna appear again, and the station will be open again. All right, thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna continue working on our weapon customization system. And as you can see, I've made some changes, and it was suggested by one of my subscribers that to add a close time. So for example, after a certain amount of time, this guy would just close shop. He will play some animation, close shop, and walk away. And in distance, I mean, I haven't added that, but that's my plan. But he would just walk away, and then after a while, he just disappear. But when it open again, he will spawn. That's the plan. But for right now, what I have is when I equip my weapon. Previously, when you press E here, it go directly to the animation. But right now, when you press E, I wanted to have oh, why is it doing this? No, but oh, okay. I have it on the timer here. I put 60. Let's put 120. 120. Yeah. So previously, once you have a weapon equipped and then you press E, the character goes into the camera zooming thing. But now when you press E, he play a little animation asking you, hey, what's going on? What do you need? And then boom, it goes here. Okay. And then the optics, like I show it to you in the previous video, just showing you if you equip this is how much you will get. And then once I want it to be, once you press this button, there's a function in the character that will save everything. So for now, when I press this, the scope gonna show. When I go to express, everything gonna be preloaded, kind of. And then once you press save and close, everything will be saved and closed, and everything will be updated. But this is for sure right now. So it just letting you know that, hey, if you equip this is how much you will get. If you know what I mean. So something like this. So when you close, I don't think I have the close functionality yet, but this is what we're working towards. And as you can see, I'm pretty sure you saw that once it hits 0, the widget disappear. So this is when we're gonna turn the lights off, and then this guy gonna just do his thing, and then you will no longer be able to access this or whichever one that's in the world. Okay, so let me open my other project that we were working on. Let's see, where is it? Right here. And let me get this to the side so I can speed this up. Let me see. Okay, I have everything. Okay, cool. And yeah, okay, oops, nope, not yet. Move this to the side and let's get started. Excuse me. Come on. Okay, let's close this. Let's close that. Close this. And let's see. Last, we had our primary equip, and yep, it shows this, and then yep, it goes like this. Cool beans. So now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my station, open the station, and we need to add a few things. First thing, we need to add a skeletal mesh, and we say AI mesh. Okay, so this will be the mesh for the AI. And let's add this guy, rotate him, and where is it? Where is it? And try to make it the feet touch the ground. Okay, cool. Like that. And in the animation, we're gonna use the AI animation blend space AI. We're gonna use that, and we need a add. We need a light. No, we're not adding it to the AI. We need a light. Yeah, I'm gonna do a reflected light instead of directional light. Okay, move it up, rotate it 90 degrees, push it up, push it up, push it up. Leave it right there. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now, let's create a function for this. Let's comment this. Turn lights on and off. Okay, and here we're going to say custom event, and we say JC play random animation. Okay. This will be, let's put it on server. And, come on. Yep. And we also need one for multicast. MC. So if somebody else has access it, the weapon station, everybody can see him playing the animation. Okay. Speaking of that, let me go check something, because as we all know, the error always comes from the client. Client play, client. Okay, cool. All right. So now what we're going to do, and shout out to one of my subscribers. He knows who I'm talking, who he is. That he gave me a bunch of cool animation, but unfortunately, I won't be able to share these animation with you because he didn't give it to me for me to share or sell it or anything. But it was some animation regarding the vendor. But if you want to purchase these animation, I'm pretty sure they are on the marketplace. You can get them yourself. But let me browse to them. Where is it? Okay, you know what? Let me just do this. I'm just trying to open my files to get the animation. Game folder, station. You know what? Let me just do this instead. Copy, do this. Exit action, migrate, save. Yeah, I knew it was gonna do that. You know what? Animation. Move them in here. Show and Explorer. Get all of them. So I'm gonna get all the animation and I'm gonna just drag them in here. And then copy. Ooh, what is this? hold on. Yeah, I know. I know. Go away. Okay, so these are the animations that I was talking about. Thank you very much, my friend, for giving me these. And now I have a use for them. Okay. So now let's create a folder and put them in there. Animations. You can use your own animation if you have any animation for your stuff. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to create montages from them. Okay, create montage, save them, and then open each one of them in slot name upper body for every single one of them. Default slot name upper body. Okay. And the last one, default slot name upper body. Okay. So now we're gonna grab the AI and we're gonna say play play montage. All right, play montage. Plug the in skeleton. And for the montage, because we want it to play a random animation each time we press the E. So promote this to a variable. Say random montages. Okay. Let's replicate this. Turn it into an array. Yes. Disconnect that. And there's a node we can say. We can get a random array item. And let's plug this in. Okay. And here we say MC play random montage. Animation. So now here, do I want to do it after this? What is this? Yeah, let's do it after this. Duplicate this because we don't want to do anything if the character doesn't have any the character is dead or anything. So we're gonna say when they press the E button to interact, we're gonna call server play random montage. Animation. Okay, so let's check it out. Interesting. Why are you not working? Oh, yeah, I didn't add the montages. So select the array and add the montages. And go select one. Let's get this one. Let's get this one. So if I go in here, grab my weapon, check primary. Oh, okay. Okay, I see what's going on. Because I did it in a different way here. Let's see. Let me see. See, just to see if it can interact. Why is it not playing the animation? That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. When I put, oh, okay, wait, no, can I like setting it to true? Yeah, French name. Let's see. I don't even think I need this right now. Yeah, let's get into that. Okay. So why are you not applying it? There you go. Huh. But why is it not doing the random animation? Oh, there you go. Now it's working. Let's go here. But it's just stuck in the first one. Oh, there you go. Let's play the second one. There you go. Okay, cool, cool. It's working. I was wondering why it's not doing it. But okay, it's working. So now what we need to happen is, after the animation is done playing, we need to call a new function to do this. So let's say custom event show widget. That's what I'm going to call mine. Show widget. And on completed, say show widget. So however long the animation is, after it's done playing, it's gonna show the widget. It's gonna do the check to see if we have weapon and everything. And then I should have done this before we even play it. Boom, boom. And then show the widget. Yeah, like that. And then we can access everything. So another thing too that I would like to do is make him show some sort of dialogue message or whatever. And then when you can click some stuff. I don't know. I'm still thinking. But right now everything is working. Now the thing is, if you don't have a weapon after he plays the animation, it's still gonna show the widget, right? But come on, hurry up, dude. Tell me this is not a looping animation. Yes, it is. Oh no, it's not. Okay, but here, if you don't have a weapon, you won't be able to access the station. So you can just close, go get your weapon, equip it, and now he's playing his animation, and then it shows, and then voila, and then everything is over. Okay, cool, everything's working. So now let's go ahead and start working. I will ask my friend if this is okay if I share it for free, this animation. If you give me the go ahead to share it, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the pack. If you give me the go ahead to share it for free, then I'll make it available for you guys to download for free. But if not, you can just go Google online or find your own animation. Okay. So now where we need to go, let's create the widget right now. Widget, and I'm going to call mine timer widget. Okay. Compile, save. Let's go here. User interface. Timer widget. Open it up. Let's add a canvas panel. Let's add a vertical box like that. Make it center. Give it about 210. by 200. 0.5, 0.5. Let's do 300 by 150. And we're gonna wrap this with a border, and the brush color black, 0.7. And then here let's add a border at the top. Let's remove the padding and wrap the border with, no, you don't need to wrap it, you just give it this color. Right now let's wrap it with a size box so we can give it a little bit of height. Let's say 20. Yeah, if it's too big we're just gonna remove it. Okay, and inside of the vertical box let's add the text and center. And we're gonna say close and like that. Let's center the text, padding to the top about 8 pixels, and the size will be about 18. And let me open my other project so I can speed this up. And then let's duplicate the text, and we're gonna say time text, and set it to a variable. And then let's put anything right now so we can see how it looks. Okay, now let's go to the event graph. You can delete everything. We need a custom event. It says start timer. Okay, start timer. It don't need to be replicated or anything, and we can just get the text, set text, set text, and then we're gonna get a boolean. No, boolean. Create a variable timer, set it to an integer, and let's give it a value of 15 seconds for now. And then here we're gonna just plug this in for the text, for the timer text, the number, and then we're gonna get timer again. We're gonna check to see if it's greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then we're gonna get a delay of 1 second. And then we're gonna go back to the loop. Get reroute node, plug it up here, move this. So every second it's gonna check to see if this is greater than 0. If it's not, it's gonna keep checking. So now if it's false, that means it's not greater than 0. We can just say remove from parent. Now it will just delete itself. Okay, so here, and then on the station widget we're gonna say timer widget. That's what I call it. Yeah, timer widget. And I believe this is gonna be 180. I believe I had it 300 by 150. And then you can put this widget wherever you want. Okay. So in the event graph, we need a begin play. As soon as the station is created, we're going to say, we're going to get the timer, get user widget object, and then we're going to cast to timer with cast to timer widget. Let's promote this to a variable timer widget ref, and then from here we say start timer. So as soon as it cut the spawn, you see behind him, and it's not working. Why is it that? Why are you not? Why are you not working? Begin play, start timer widget. If it's greater than 0, timer have 15 seconds. 1. Why are you not working? Why are you not working? Delay 1. Oh, okay, yeah. I forgot to I forgot the most important thing. Decrement the timer, because every second we want to remove something from it. Decrement. Yeah, there you go. Every second we want to remove. There you go. See? I think this is too big. Too big. Let's say 100. Or I can just say size the content. Yeah, and then grab these two and give them some padding to the left. Let's say 30. Right, 30. Yeah. And then bottom 30. No, 5. Yep, just like that. And then here, now it will look like this instead. Okay, and this one, don't put nothing at the bottom. And this one, let's do 15. Just like that. Or, better yet, let's get the widget, move it. Here you go. Can't miss it. Closing 14. Yep. There you go. And counting. Or you can put it wherever you like. So now the character always see, hey, this is what's going on. Okay. See, close that. Something. Why? And when it hits 0, now it's not gonna remove itself because we need to create that function. But this needs to run on a tick. Okay. So let me do this. Show widget after timer. No, after animation finish playing. Okay, and then here we're gonna say play random animation montage. Yep, add some function to your thing. Okay, so now that's done. Let's check everything. Later on, we're gonna do the check to see. Matter of fact, let me do it now. So, excuse me. So you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's create a macro for this. Okay, macro say is station open with a question mark. So what we need to do, we need to get that widget, check to see if it's valid. Okay, so we need to get the variable timer inside of it. We need to check to see if it's equal to 0. Soon as it equals to 0, soon as it reaches 0, okay, true and false. Close this. If we get even take, or we can create a retrievable delay for that instead to save some frame. But for now, I'm just gonna show you here. Every time, every frame, it's gonna check it, keep checking it, and then we're gonna say if it's valid. We're gonna say set visibility to 0, and then I believe we can just get this AI, and we say move to AI move to pawn component would be whoa. What is this? AI move to? Yeah, that's the one we want. This guy. Skeletal mesh object is not a compatible pawn. Oh, okay. So this needs to be a pawn. Okay. Well, we can remove. Let me see. Can we even add pawn in here? No, but we can add a child actor, and then we turn it into a pawn. Let's see. There we go. Move yourself. We say child actor station owner for now, and then here we can say civilian. Civilian AI master. So where are you? This guy. But the issue would be if I do this. Or we can just create a whole new view. Let's just hitting in game for now. So I don't have to see you. For now. Visibility. Set it to 4. Okay. So let's focus on this guy. Where is it? AI owner. So you can get AI owner. Get character. That's still not gonna be okay. Yeah, we'll do it the way I was thinking. We will just create a actual pawn for this. Okay. Sorry. But for now, what we can do is, if we don't want to create a whole AI for it, we can say set hitting in game to true, and then we get this light, and then we can say set intensity. We set it to 0. So what should happen is now, once this clock hits 0, light will turn off, this widget will go away, and then this guy will disappear. So hey, so let it count down. Hopefully, fingers crossed. There we go, boom. But the widget didn't go away. Set visible to collapse. Here we go. It's up to you how you want it. If you want to make it more immersive, like where the AI play animation that it's closing sharp, you can do the same principle that I did. Just we're gonna create a pawn instead of a static mesh. We're gonna do it the right way. But you see, now everything gone. So now we can just grab can interact and set it to false. Okay, so now after this happened, the guy won't the character won't be able to interact with the station. Okay, so even if I press E here, nothing, because station is closed. All right, station is closed. Okay, cool. And then we can just create a delay, and we can say promote this to a variable, and then we can say time before station open. Yeah, I know it's long, but you know exactly what's going on before you even started. Okay, so make it replicated. Let's say we wanted to wait uh let's say 5 seconds so I can show you. And then what we can do from here, after you wait a second, we can get this guy, the widget. Mm. Yeah, it will still be available because we're just hiding it. And we can say, excuse me, set visibility again to visible. And then we can say start timer. And then we can grab this whole thing. We get the AI and the light. Set it as false. And the light, I believe it was 5,000. No. Intensity, yeah, let's put it at 5,000. 5,000. And then set can interact to true. I don't know, you can leave can interact. Because as soon as we interact, walk into the thing, it's gonna cut back on. So let's go see. So counting down, get my weapon, equip my weapon, and then yeah, we set it to 5 seconds, right? Okay, cool. So everything closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So what's happening here? It's checking it and it quickly wanted it down again. Let me think. So I set it to false here, and then let me see. We open station. After we reach 0, we count it down. No, we don't. We don't need this. Put this right here, because that's the delay that we need. And then we're gonna call reopen station. No. We can't do that. Let's say, okay, let's try reopen station. Because this is constantly checking. Reopen station. Let me go to this and make this a little shorter than 15. Say 5 seconds. Did it even call the reopen station? Oh, I didn't plug it in. Three, two, one. What? Or I can remove this, do that, and go inside the macro, hit 0, do the delay here of 2 seconds, and then we call reopen station. Let's see if this works. Because as soon as I hit 0, it's gonna return true. Let's do 2 seconds instead of 5. Because the tick keep checking. Close. 1, 2. Come on. 2. What's going on? Equals 0. Let's see if it did even get here. French string. True. Whatever. True. Okay. Wait 2 seconds and get everything is that time again. Okay. You know what? I'll figure this out, and then I can come back, and then in the next video we do what we need to do. But and if you guys find a way, please let me know in the comment. Did event take? Because event take keep checking to see if station is open. If it's equal to 0, wait some second. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Delay. Because that's why it's closing it down. 2 seconds, and then we go back here. One last time. If it doesn't work, I think of something. Let's continue the video. Yep, you just flick it open and then okay. Yeah, I would think of something. So I'll find a way to make it work. And okay, so now let's close the station. Let's close this, and let's go inside of the widget right here. So now what we need to do when we clicked on the optic button, let's name this optic BTN, on click, we need to show something. So what I'm going to do, button grid, what I'm going to do, let's add a border down here. Let's make it about 500 by 500 for now. Let's move it a little bit to the side, and the background color, let's make it black with 0.7, and so you know what, on the station, let's go back to the station. For now, on the event tick, let's just disconnect this, because for now we're working on the thing. Check back and make it red, so that way I know I need to work on this. Okay, so close the station again, and what am I doing? Am I even doing what I need to do? Play montage after I play. Let's go see. Open equip, play montage, play the montage. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now, how do I want to do this? Do I want to make it like slide in or what? Let's go see. Let's make it 700. And put this at 0.3 and wrap this with another border. Go in the middle. Let's make it black. Okay. Yeah. Not to tint. What's going on? We're up with a border. Brush color. Oh, okay. The one at the in the back. Let's do that one. The 0.3. This one 0.5. Okay. And let's call this one optic container. Okay. And by default, I want to add animations. That would be nice. Let's see. Let's try it again. Can't go. Can play optic. For this one, let's do a transform in a window opacity. Transform the X. Let's keep it right over there. Negative 510. And for the opacity, make it to 0. And then about 0.5. Opacity to 1. And then this is to 0. So it'll go like this. Boom. Okay, cool. So let's close this. Here, optic, we can say play animation. Now here gonna be the problem when we have multiple of them. No. I can do it for all the buttons. So, and then I can just build the thing in here instead. Yeah, welcome, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Boom. By default, I need to hide it. So, animation, again. And opacity, add a keyframe, this. Keyframe. Why is it not like that by default? Oh, I can do this. Grab it. Visibility to collapse. It will give me a problem again. Because if I just... If I do this, let's see if it works. Works really good. Set visibility. Set visibility to visible. Okay, cool. So by default, it should be hitting, right? Come on. Hitting by default. And when I press this, okay, cool. Now, okay, nice. So, one more thing. Because we are working on it, we need to yeah, I should have created everything first before I created the animation. Yikes. I'm trying to think. Sorry guys. Let's do transform by default. Yep. Render opacity by default. Let's make it 1. Okay, but after yeah, let's work on it first, then we do the animation. Why is it? Oh. Okay, let's work on it first, then we'll do the animation. Okay, but now let's add a border to top. We need a vertical box and a border. The vertical box, so let's remove the padding and the border, which is going to be the header. Crop with a size box and height, let's say 5'5", and the border, let's rename it. No, let's rename this to header, and background. The background will be black. Let's put the black like this. Color right here. And in text, I'm going to say container text. I'm gonna tell you why I'm making this a variable in a minute. Left, let's put 12. I have an idea, and 15. So the reason why I'm doing it, instead of creating matter of fact, I made this. We name this to main container. Oops. Okay. Container main. Okay. The reason why I call this container text, it's because instead of creating one of these for every single button, when we add let's see, where is it? Header vertical box. Let's just add it right now. Uniform grid panel. We're gonna add multiple uniform grid panels. Okay. So what we're gonna do is based on, so for this, for example, optic grade, right? And then we're gonna have another one for suppressor. Based on which button we click, then we're gonna show the different one. So this container will contain just, there's gonna be one container, but that contains a lot of uniform grid panels. Okay. So for now, yeah, that's how it's gonna be. But I think this video is getting too long, so I will end the video here. In the next one, we're gonna work on populating we're gonna create a data table to have different things. So when we create the data table list, we only gonna show certain things based on the type. Let's say if the type is suppressor, then we're gonna add it to the suppressor grade. If it's backstack, we're gonna add it to the backstack grade. Okay, so for today, this is where we're gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.